Is AI coming for your job? Discover how to stay ahead, adapt, and thrive in an AI-powered world. Don't just survive, succeed. How to hedge against AI stealing your job. Will artificial intelligence take over my job? It's a question that's troubling millions of white-collar workers today. This fear even has a name, FOBO, or the fear of becoming obsolete. And while it may seem daunting, the concern is not entirely unfounded. Previously, advancements in automation and outsourcing primarily impacted blue-collar workers. But this time, it's professionals who sit behind desks, typing away in offices or working from home, who find themselves at risk. Knowledge workers, administrators, financial analysts, software developers, legal professionals, and creatives are facing a significant upheaval. So, what can be done? The answer lies in preparation. Embrace AI to enhance your productivity. Learn to use it as a tool, not see it as a rival. However, also be ready with a backup plan, just in case your efforts to adapt fall short. Until recently, chatbots and AI tools were often dismissed as gimmicks. Their errors, their limitations, they made them seem almost laughable. But now, the landscape has changed. Today's AI can reason, solve complex problems, and deliver responses that are nearly indistinguishable from those of a human. And with costs of AI implementation falling, its reach is only expanding. The psychological impact of AI devaluing hard-earned skills is heavy. After years of education, training, and dedication, the thought of becoming obsolete is unsettling. The financial toll could be even worse. Consider this. Knowledge workers often partner with others from the same field. This trend, known as assortative mating, means that if AI disrupts their roles, the entire family's financial stability is at risk. The numbers are telling. Studies estimate that knowledge work accounts for nearly half of the UK's labor activity, and around 70% of these tasks could be transformed or replaced by generative AI. In the US, high earners, who significantly contribute to consumer spending, are also vulnerable. According to Moody's Analytics, those earning over $250,000 contribute around half of the consumer spending. What happens if algorithms replace millions of them? It's a concerning scenario. And tech leaders agree. OpenAI's Sam Altman believes AI will soon rival the capabilities of experienced human engineers, albeit with some supervision. Meta's Mark Zuckerberg echoes this, suggesting that AI's coding and problem-solving abilities could match mid-level engineers by this year. Imagine AI agents deployed at scale, transforming industries overnight. Already, signs of this shift are visible. Salesforce has paused hiring software engineers thanks to AI-driven productivity gains. NVIDIA is mandating AI agent use for its engineers, while Google reports that over a quarter of its new code is now AI-generated. In banking, AI can now draft almost all of an IPO prospectus in minutes, a task that previously required weeks of work by a 6-person team. Singapore's DBS Bank is planning to cut around 4,000 contract staff over the next 3 years as AI steps in. AI isn't just replacing repetitive tasks, it's performing at a level once thought exclusive to human experts. The latest AI models can perform reasoning tasks at PhD levels. If AI were merely automating mundane jobs, the concern might be less. But with such capabilities, even complex high-level roles are under threat. So how can one hedge against this risk? First, learn and master AI tools. This not only boosts productivity, but also gives insight into how safe, or at risk, your job is. Second, keep networking. Platforms like LinkedIn can be lifelines when seeking new opportunities. Remember, being adaptable is key. For those just entering the workforce or guiding others, the choices are complex. Should they learn to code, knowing AI might soon automate it? Should they aim for sectors less vulnerable to AI disruption? NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang has suggested that the future might not need traditional coding skills as natural language programming becomes mainstream. Yet, experts like Bill Gates still believe that understanding the basics of coding remains valuable. Similarly, with AI easing tasks in investment banking or consultancy, securing internships or graduate program positions could become even more competitive. Therefore, developing diverse and adaptable skills is essential. For those deeper in their careers, consider building skills that AI can't easily replicate, or think about entrepreneurial ventures less susceptible to AI's reach. It might be time to dust off that side hustle idea. Whether it's landscape gardening, opening a cat cafe, or starting a local business, exploring diverse paths can be a safeguard against AI disruptions. Beyond skills, consider investments. Owning assets, like index funds tied to AI-driven companies, can provide financial buffers. After all, if AI is reshaping the economy, it makes sense to be part of that change. However, it's essential to approach with caution, as some AI-linked investments are already highly valued. In conclusion, there's no surefire way to guarantee job security in an AI-driven world. But by preparing, learning, and adapting, we can certainly reduce the fear of becoming obsolete. Because in the end, it's better to shape the future than be shaped by it. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.